Let's learn the writing of letter E. But before that, we will going to read some pictures and objects related with letter E. So let's start. The first one is elephant. E is for elephant, and elephant is a big animal. Next is E for eagle. Eagle को हिंदी में चील कहते हैं. And this is a big bird. Next is egg. E for egg. Egg 2 colors के होते हैं, एक white and एक light brown color. Next is E for earth. Earth यानी पृथ्वी. Where we live. हम लोग पृथ्वी के ऊपर रहते हैं. Next is E for eyes. Eyes यानी आँख. So next one is E for envelope. Envelope यानी जिसको हिंदी में लिफाफा या खाम कहते हैं. Next is E for exercise यानी व्यायाम करना, एक्टिविटी करना. So ये jogging, yoga, everything included in exercise. Next is E for elf यानी जो छोटे साइज के होते हैं, बौना जिसे कहते हैं. Next E for ear. Ear यानी कान जिसे हम लोग सुनते हैं. Next is E for eat और eating यानी खाना. हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, उसको eat कहते हैं या eating. Next E for elbow. Elbow को हम लोग हिंदी में कहते हैं कोहनी. Next is E for 8. 8 को हिंदी में 8 कहते हैं and it's a number. Next is E for elk. Elk को हिंदी में गोजन कहते हैं. And next is emu. E is for emu, and emu is the second largest bird after ostrich. Ostrich के बाद ये दूसरा सबसे बड़ा bird है. Next is E for eel. Eel is a fish and it's look like a snake. Next E for eraser. In Hindi we say rubber. हम लोग rubber कहते हैं. So these are the few things that is started with letter E. Now we will going to learn how to write letter E. So let's see. We will going to learn about the letter E. E is for elephant, egg, envelope. So many things start with letter E. So let's do the writing. First, we will going to do the standing line, slipping line, and another slipping line. That means here 3 slipping lines. One is standing line and slipping line, and slipping line. Always remember that first slipping line and the third one यानी पहला और तीसरा वाला it will be equal in size and it will be bigger size than the middle one. ये बीच वाले से ये दोनों साइज में बड़े होंगे, ज़्यादा लंबे होंगे. So let's do it. First we'll do the standing line and then slipping line. There is 2 way or 3 way, any way you can try this. Like I have done the first way, standing line, first slipping line, second slipping line, so it will look like a F, and then the last one you will going to add, it will become E. Second way to write is, first you will do standing line, first slipping line, last slipping line, and in between the slipping line. There is another way also. You can try it like, if the child is ready to do standing line, slipping line, slipping line, and slipping line. There is no wrong way, but you have to do it in a correct pattern. That is very important. So try it the way you like it. And even you can try it here in the blank space, like standing line, slipping line, slipping line, slipping line. First way, you can try another one, standing line, slipping line, and slipping line, F, and then another one. This one is the easier one, so try to do this one. And now we're going to do in the copy. Here you will going to write within 3 lines, so very important. Just remember, first you will do the same pattern of hollow shapes, use different colors. Now 1, 2, 3 line is here, you will going to write. So very important, just look at very carefully. Standing line, and then first slipping line, and then second slipping line will be little smaller, thoda chota hoga, and it will look like a F, and then the last one you will going to make it, so it's become E. Again we'll do it. So second way I have done. It's totally up to you that how you will comfortable doing this. And always try to do is to make like a F shape and then E. So this one is the easier one, F and then E. It will look like a F and then make it like a E. So this is the way you will going to try, and then you will understand how to write the letter E. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.